you all are doing well. So let's begin with chapter number 8 of class 4th GK and the name of the chapter is sample tools. तो जैसे कि हमें पता है कि हम अपनी डे टू डे लाइफ में we use various kind of tools, right? So let's study about those tools in detail, right? So some people can work wonders with their tools. अब हमें पता है कि कुछ लोग जो हैं वो इन टूल्स को यूज़ करके बहुत सारे मैजिक्स कर सकते हैं, राइट? वो लोग हमारी ख़राब चीज़ों को ठीक कर देते हैं. Look around you and observe how these people use their tools to create amazing things. So we have to look around ourselves and we also have to observe that how these people use their tools ताकि ये लोग amazing चीज़ें बना सकते हैं, right? Look at the tools given below. Now we have been given some images like here, like there, right? And write the names of these tools in the space provided. और हमें इन tools के नाम लिखने हैं जैसे कि हमें space यहाँ पर provided है, right? Use the words in the help box. We also have been given one help box जिसकी मदद से हम words use कर सकते हैं, right? So let's begin with the first one. As we can see that this is an X. X यानी कुल्हाड़ी, right? So this is an X. We can write over here AXE, X. Next, this is an electric drill, right? It is used by the electrician sometimes to make the hole in our walls, right? So it is known as the electric drill. Next, the third one, this object is known as a crowbar, right? So crowbar is the correct answer. Crowbar. Next, fourth one, this is a very simple tool and sometimes we also find it in our houses, right? So this tool is known as hammer. Next, this tool is known as a chisel, right? This is known as a chisel. Next, this tool is known as a wrench. This is basically used to tighten the screws sometimes, right? Next, this is considered as a screwdriver, right? So screwdriver. Next, the eighth one, this is known as a sick. Okay, so this is the image of a rake, right? This tool is known as a rake. Next, this tool is known as a handsaw, right? This is known as a handsaw. Next, this tool is known as a plier, P-L-I-E-R, plier, right? So I hope you all have learned a lot about the tools, right? So that's all for this chapter. Thank you so much and have a good day ahead.